Hello and welcome to Binging with Babish. This episode, we'll be making Eddie Murphy's ice cream, a truly simple recipe consisting of only a few ingredients. In a medium sauce pot, add 1 3/4 cup of heavy cream, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of fine sea salt, and place on low to medium heat. This recipe is very simple as it does not involve eggs. Allow the ingredients to cool for 4 to 6 hours. Pulling them out of the freezer, they are very stiff, but we can make this work. Now I will place this mixture into a mini ice cream machine that I bought on Amazon for like $20. Homogenize the ingredients and put them into the ice cream maker cup. Oh, I was not supposed to make that mess. Okay, give me 1 sec. And into the ice cream maker they go. Coming back from the ice cream mixer, pour into a large Tupperware container and set in the freezer overnight ideally, or for up to a couple of days. And voila, you have ice cream.
This is the reviews for my culinary experience on May, what is today? 6th?
May
6th, 2022, for the final culinary assignment. Okay.
All right, so this is Dana and Masao Reed. We're over 18.
20.
We're over 20. Everything was very tasty. It had a great flavor. The salad, the lettuce and the tomatoes were
just
really
even
good.
like the color theme was really good on the salad. You know, you had the lettuce, but then you had the tomatoes that's like a bright red, and then cheese, and you made sure that it was not a monotone color. I love that. Like there was many different colors on each plate. Is that me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead.
You got the same sound as mine. Oh,
So
sorry.
it looked good. Okay, and then what else?
And then so the main course, fettuccine.
Yes.
Fettuccine, right?
chicken.
With the chicken, yeah. That was so
The
good.
noodles were excellent.
And I tasted the garlic a lot, which I really loved.
And the
And it had just the right amount of
the
salt.
leaves, the basil, right?
Like the,
Oh, basil
Yeah.
leaf. Man, it just went with it so well. I just was really blown away.
yeah, and chicken was really tender.
It just and the noodles were just right.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
It was
Sorry.
really fun to eat. It was really fun to have.
Yeah.
And the dessert
It was
was
very
excellent. So the
creative too.
yeah, I love the combination of cold, it's like frozen and hot, and to have the ice cream first before it melted because it was homemade was fun, and then that allowed the s'mores to kind of chill out a little bit.
Yeah.
And
It's like you said the s'more was like a last minute idea, right? But it didn't even seem like it. It
No,
was like
yeah.
it was
And they
like a
look great
complete
together,
plate. It's
right
like you
next to each
planned
other,
it.
yeah.
You really put it together and stuff. Yeah. And I like the vanilla ice cream a lot too. You had more vanilla flavor than any of the store bought ones.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
excellent.
That's good. And
right.
your professionalism, I really love that. You explained everything. You were so confident. You faked it good. I know you were nervous. We didn't see any of the nervousness. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It was just all the way from the beginning till the end. It was you. I mean, you entertained us. You know, your hospitality was
fun.
excellent. Yeah. It's really good.
Good job.
Yeah. Do I pass this?
Excellent.
Yeah, please, Scott.
All right.
I
You
think you
got it?
already said it all.
Basically.
I know.
What was your experience?
I feel really honored to be here, and I'm glad we made it because first the salad, the presentation is really good, just like what Masayu said, and I really like the chicken with the chicken Alfredo. Is that what you call it? Chicken Alfredo, right? The chicken is really good. It really tastes good and it's really tender.
I forgot to mention the dressing on the salad.
Yeah, the dressing on the salad.
Dressing
Yeah.
was so impressive. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I forgot to mention.
I know.
The dressing was
And
amazing.
the dressing at the beginning, I feel like, oh, so he didn't make this one. It was,
Then we got to see it. Right?
yeah, but I saw that you made it from scratch because you have the bottle, the jar. So it's really good, and the ice cream is really good. I really like it. It was perfect, and I want to have another thing like this. Please invite us. Yeah,
This is my
reservation.
project over the summer. We're gonna do this again, but with more people. Hamburgers.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
okay.
the last thing is you made Chloe eat this food. She's so picky, but she tried it and she liked it. Oh, yeah!
Thank you.
And yeah.
It was good.
So it was really good. So invite us again.
Will do.
All right.
Repeat customers
Nope.
is always.
I really can't.
No, you have to be over 20.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're too young.
Oh, okay.
You go ahead. You go ahead.
So, I am Monica, one of his friends, and I'm really proud of Zahid. For me, it was a perfect dinner, perfect balance. We start with an amazing Italian salad with such a good dressing, lettuce, perfect condition, tomatoes. The balance that made the dressing with the croutons was perfect. The croutons was amazing. I just love taste everything together with the lettuce, with the tomato. I just mixed everything and was other sensation. Was so good. One of like I think so the best Italian salad that I never tried before. So it's so good.
It's really, really
So good.
Yeah.
Pasta, Alfredo pasta, so good. The texture of the pasta was perfect cook. Dressing, delicious. Chicken, really good roasted, like how you made it, how you season it. Perfect. I just love it. Ate everything. Good presentation. Salad was like colorful.
colorful.
Thank you. And we finished with the dessert. It was a perfect balance to finish with the ice cream. Excellent. I just like love it. The vanilla. You can taste the vanilla really good. Like it was like no so sweet, no too plain. Was perfect. Mix it with the with the crackers and the chocolate, and you put in just the marshmallow, and you put it too. Like it was amazing. So I'm just so happy, and thank you so much for your invitation. I just try coming really fast to try to your dinner. Your meal was amazing, and I'm so happy to see when you see people that are smiling and eating with like they were eating. It's like it's something that you made it. Like it's a happy moment. It's like when you make food, is make a special moment for everybody. So it was amazing. Good job.
Yeah.
All right.
Kelly, give your.
I don't think she wanted to.
I know you're over 21.
So
It's the champagne talking.
I mean, is she really over 21? I mean,
You know,
look very
allegedly.
young.
Allegedly. Salad. Give your review on the salad.
So the salad was, delicious. The lettuce was nice and crisp. The balsamic vinaigrette was well done, sir. Good play. And by the way, my name is Kelly. I'm the roommate. So as everybody has said, the food was delicious. But my review is actually watching you prepare. Okay, that's what I want to review. And your preparation was well done. The thought and time and consideration that you put into it, and watching you get to learn how to cook. I mean, getting to cooking Alfredo sauce from scratch for your very first time and having such a positive review is amazing. It doesn't always work out that way. So just to watch you grow in the kitchen has just been a real honor. And, I can't wait to see what more you come out with. So I know. Yeah. I am lucky enough to live with this guy. So guess who's our living chef now? So, but yes, thank you so much. I'm super excited. I got to be a part of your first dinner party. And congratulations, it went off without a hitch.